Hi everyone! Today we're going to be practicing addition using the lattice method. So let's get started and try some examples. First, let's start with a two-digit problem with two two-digit numbers. Let's do 44 plus 27. So in the lattice method, we create a box underneath our math problem, and we divide that box into however many columns or place values we have. So we have the ones on this side and the tens on this side. So we divided our rectangle into two boxes. Now we're going to do the same for each of our rectangles underneath. The top triangles being the tens and the bottom triangles being the ones. So first let's focus on just our ones column up top, 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So let's place our 1 and 1 to make 11 in our box below. 1 in the tens, 1 in the ones. Now we can move on to our tens column on the top. 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now 6 is just a number that only takes up space in our ones column. So we can put 0 on the top triangle for the tens column and 6 in the bottom, or you can just leave the 0 on the top blank. So now to find our final answer, we're going to pay attention to each section. So first section I'm bolding is just 1. So there's nothing else in that row, so we can just bring down our 1, nothing to add to it. The second column though, we have a 6 and a 1. We're looking at this whole row. So we have 6 plus 1 equals 7. So we'll bring down a 7. And then our last section in the hundreds would be 0 because we don't have anything else to add. So we have the ones column with our 1, tens with our 7, 0 for our hundreds. So our final answer for 44 plus 27 is going to be 71. Now let's try another problem. This time we'll do a 3-digit number. So we'll do 109 plus 59. So now we're going to have to make a larger rectangle at the bottom because we have 3 place value columns. Ones, tens, and hundreds. And we're also going to divide these up the same way with a tens triangle on the top and a ones triangle on the bottom. So first we'll start with our ones column on the top. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So our 1 on the top in the tens and our 8 at the bottom in the ones. Next column, tens column. 0 plus 5 equals 5. You can leave the top blank or put your 0 in, and 5 for our ones triangle at the bottom. And this time we have a 1 in the hundreds column. 1 plus 0, because there's nothing else, is 1. So we'll do the same as we did for the 5. We can put a 0 or nothing on the top, and our 1 and the ones on the bottom. Now this time when we find our final answer, we have more sections to pay attention to. First is 8 plus nothing is 8, so we'll bring down our 8. Second column, 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so we'll bring down a 6. Next column, 1 plus 0 equals 1, so we'll bring down a 1. And our last column, 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have our ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column. So our final answer for 109 plus 59 is 168. And that was addition practice using the lattice method, and we hopefully will see you next time.